Huateng Metal Products, Dongguan Company Limited. Established in 2010, it is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale and service of CNC turning parts, CNC milling parts, sheet metal fabrication, stamping parts, springs, wire forming products. In order to provide better service for our clients, we also registered another company named Huai International Industry Group Limited in Hong Kong, China. With skilled technicians, advanced technologies, and modern manufacturing equipment sourced from Japan, Germany, and China, Taiwan area, we can provide OEM and ODM service. We have continuously improved our production processes and has been certified by ISO 9001 system. With the strict quality control from IQC, IPQC, OQC to FQC, and complete after-sale services, our products were exported to over 160 countries in North and South America, Europe, Asia, the Middle East, Australia, and have won a high reputation among the customers worldwide. Dedicated to the operational tenet of your target. Our mission, we are committed to provide high-quality products and excellent services for our honorable customers. You are also welcome to visit our group's website, www.huaigroup.com, to learn more details, and we warmly welcome customers from all over the world and look forward to establishing a steady and long-term business relationships with you based on our mutual benefits. For better communication and understanding on what you need, please feel free to contact us right now. Thank you very much.